you, sir. Um, so, as the prime excavator and archaeologist of the site, Palur, uh, what is your opinion regarding the controversy around the controversy on the identification of the site of Palur or Paloro in the Orissan coast?
Palura, yeah.
Yeah.
See, Palur actually it's an ancient name. We know from Ptolemy's account, Palura. Palura was a port site that was an epitherean where people used to go to Southeast Asia and other countries. They sail, actually they sail in the Bay of Bengal. And this is a port site that is mentioned by Ptolemy.
Hmm.
And afterwards, what people thought, many of the scholars, they have not seen this site. At least what I feel,
Okay.
after reading all the accounts,
Hmm.
many of the scholars, they said on the basis of place names.
Hmm.
Palura, they interpreted as a tooth
Hmm.
in Tamil or some other language. So they identified Dantapura.
Hmm.
Dantapura and Dantapura identified as same as Palura. So there was a big,
Issue.
exchange,
Yeah.
Palura, Dantapura,
Yeah.
Palura. But
Yeah.
it is quite, now it is very clear.
Hmm.
We are searching Palura. I searched a Palura last 1 decade, moving here and there, searching the sites, locating the sites, and going through all the literature available. Then we concentrate upon here after uh, getting confirmation that the present Palura village is the same Palura.
Hmm.
But Palura village exists here, but Palura is not confined to this village. It is a region. It is beyond Rishikulya and beyond another river is there up to Mahendragiri.
Right.
Palura hills are there.
Hmm.
The hills are after Barampur.
Hmm.
The hill range is known as Palura Hills.
Hmm.
And here it is Palura. In Persian records, Palura is also mentioned.
Okay.
So Palura is such a big name, such a big region. That's why Ptolemy referred.
Yes. Yes.
In his Geographia,
Yes.
he has given emphasis on Palur because that's a region.
Hmm.
And in ancient days, ports usually that is in confluence, river, sea, or sometimes away from sea, and not exactly on the coast.
Hmm.
So likewise, the landscape what we see here, see this is Dumnagiri, Palur Hills,
Yeah.
and another is Jinkiri Head, towards north Chilka Lake, and towards east,
East.
southeast is sea, and little away it is a Risukila river is there.
Hmm.
So the landscape matches to the description of Ptolemy.
Okay.
Again, again Dantapura. We
Yeah.
have identified Dantapura first, then we came to here. Dantapura Kota, or
Okay.
Dantavarapu Kota,
Okay.
now in Srikakulam district,
Hmm.
um, in Subbuji Mandal,
Hmm.
there. That site is very, is a well fortified site.
Hmm.
And it was excavated by state
Hmm.
archaeology of
Hmm.
Andhra Pradesh.
Hmm.
And it was confirmed
Hmm.
because of fortification, because of materials, material evidences available on the site. That was Dantapura is confirmed. It was urban site and
Hmm.
earliest urban site.
Hmm.
And whatever description we are getting in Jatakas and Buddhist literature,
Hmm.
that was too confirmed with the site.
Okay.
And nearby Salivundam is there and Kalingapatna
Hmm.
port is there.
Hmm.
So that apart.
Hmm.
Now coming to Palur. Palur, here we have taken up excavation in 2023-24, and we dug up, our excavation operation was going on here, and we found here and other 3-4 places in around of this village, and the materials we got from here so far, because this site was visited by many renowned historians, marine archaeological historians, and ancient Indian professors of ancient history like Dilip Chakravarti,
Okay.
Monica Smith, Professor Ravi Indra Kumar Mahanti, Selva Kumar,
Hmm.
and many other scholars. They
Hmm.
visited the
Hmm.
site. They examined our materials, and we got 9 layers, and the total deposit here is 3 meter, 2.8595, about 2 meter,
Right.
3 meter,
Right.
and the earliest date goes with black and red pottery.
Okay.
Profuse number of black and red ware pottery
Hmm.
we got from here with graffiti marks. from the earliest level.
Okay.
Lot of graffiti mark potteries, everything is under examination. You are working on that.
Hmm.
So that graffiti mark potteries and black and red ware, that is a give a distinctive mark, and we date it. The earliest date goes for 6th century BC. The same thing happened to another site nearby this place, near to this place, Kankei Kuda. That was excavated by Monica Smith and R.K. Mahanti.
Okay.
They also date the site to 7th century BC.
Okay.
So we also the earliest site date back to 7th century BC. Afterwards, the 7th century, 6th century BC continued up to 4th, 3rd century BC. From 3rd century BC, we are getting NBP
Oh.
along with black police ware, north black police ware and black police ware
Black polish.
and red ware,
Red ware.
red police ware, red ware, number of red wares and some grey ware, fine grey wares that continued up to 3rd, 2nd century BC. In 2nd century BC, we are coming along with we are coming, we are getting lot of nowdware. Nowdware.
From 3rd century BC.
3rd century BC and onwards.
Okay.
Even beyond 3rd century BC, 4th, 5th century also we are getting nowdware. That is another question.
Yes.
How nowdware came here.
Came here. Yeah.
So nowdware, you know, whole of east coast we are getting nowdware from many other sites. Then nowdware is an identification mark. Then rollated ware is rollated ware is another major identification mark.
Yeah.
Roman trade and other trade because now it is said ki rollated ware is a local imitation of Roman rollated ware. Now Bengal coast produced, Bengal area, Odisha and South India sites also produced. But all along the early historical excavated sites, Radhanagar, Sisupalgarh, Pallur, then in South India also, Arikamedu and other places, profuse, lot of, and Alangukulam in Tamil Nadu, all the port sites of Tamil Nadu, they were getting a lot of rollated ware. And here also you got number of rollated ware potsherds. So that is another confirmation about 2nd century BC, 1st century BC. And we got a inscription on potsherd that belong to 1st century BC, 1st century AD.
Okay.
Brahmi, Kushana Brahmi,
Yes,
or that period Brahmi.
Yes.
That Garuda, Om Garuda Matha,
Huh.
that written in a potsherd. That gives a benchmark. 1st century, then rollated ware, nodware,
Nodware.
NBP, along with beads.
Okay.
Number of beads, crystal beads, glass beads, stone beads, number of beads, and and a variety of potsherds. Even Southeast Asian or some kind of dazzling potsherds are there. That is fine, fine redware mixed with black and redware, but it's a very fine.
Oh.
It seems and stamped ware also. Lot of stamped ware also we are getting, like Kottabattam, Pattanam. So all these materials and ivory pieces, ivory stylus, a piece of ivory comb, then along with some iron slacks and copper objects and uh, uh, basically pottery and beads is another uh, variety of beads, glass bangles and this shell bangles.
Oh, okay.
All these materials we found from this. So far our date for the site, we are working on that.
Okay.
We have sent, we submitted our samples to BSIP Lucknow and some other institutions like Institute of Minerals and Metals, Institute of Bhubaneswar, and for examination of the potteries, their mineral and texture and how it happened. So we are waiting for the report. But so far, it is from 7th century till we got material here up to 2nd, 3rd century AD, 2nd, 3rd century C. But in other places, this site continued up to 18th century till British period.
Oh.
Some other site. Here it is declined about 2nd century, but it was shifted to other places. Here in around this Palur area, there are so many villages like Ekkhandi, Duikhandi, Satkhandi, Atkhandi, Suryanarayanpur, Jhadukuda, then so many other sites. There are good number of mounds still exist, having all early historical materials.
Okay.
So we have documented about 40 sites in around in 20-30 kilometer around, and on the towards west top towards the western edge, Somapa or Jaugoda is there. The
Yes.
urban side is there,
Yes.
and this is port side,
Port side.
and little later the Rusukila river is there,
Huh.
and there is another British or British fort, Puttagad is another fort is there.
Okay.
Here it is 5-6 kilometer.
Hmm.
So, and just opposite of this site, across Chilka, there is earlier one side Manikpatna,
Okay.
just
At
opposite.
opposite.
Opposite of it. Manikapatna is also gives a running chronology from 3rd, 2nd century BC till 18th century.
18th century.
And another site here in little away towards north, Gorangpatna, that was excavated by
Gorangpatna.
Utkal University.
Hmm.
That site is also early historic port site.
Hmm.
But the chronology is limited, and there are so many others, Kankaikuda and other places in around this site. So Parlour is no doubt what Ptolemy has written 2nd century CE.
CE.
That is truly, it is a fact. And now we are corroborating all the
Evidences.
evidences, and we are getting the history of this Palur port.
Hmm.
And definitely it is one of the major port in maritime Asia,
Right,
because
sir.
Palur has
Yes.
all connection with Southeast Asian
Yes.
countries,
Yes.
basically Indonesia,
Hmm.
Sri Lanka. And definitely it was like Arikamedu,
Yes.
and the contour of this site
Hmm.
is very vast and scattered.
Hmm.
It will take years together to study all the things, because at least 10 years is needed with passionate scholar. So let us hope we will get. So far we got the clue of the port side
Yes.
Parlour, and it is definite.
Yes.
Now I become sure that
Yes.
Parlour village, present Parlour village, is definitely
the
the Parlour
Port side of
of
Palur.
Ptolemy, port
Hmm.
side of Ptolemy.
Hmm.
And Dantapura is something else
Else.
that is different.
Hmm.
It's different.
Hmm.
So Parlour is now established, and we are working on that.
Yes.
And you are also working that.
तो सर जैसा कि आपने बोला इतने सारे साइट्स जो पालूर पोर्ट साइट के साथ साथ और भी जो जितने साइट्स है सब एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड थे
हाँ,
एंड
ये
दे वर इन कांटेक्ट विद ईच
yes.
अदर
अभी modern name different है,
हम्म
but all are in Palur region only.
हम्म
Here Gorangapatna is how many? 4-5 kilometer or 6-7 kilometer.
ओके
Then beyond that Kankaikuda is there. It is around 15-20 kilometer
हाँ
across the hill. And Manikapatna just across the lake here. And here Rusukila river is there, and Gopalpur is also very near. So all are, in my opinion, during the days of Ptolemy in 2nd century CE, it is one region.
राइट
Now modern villages come up,
हाँ
and people are residing there. They have given different names,
डिफरेंट नेम्स
but the region is same
ओके
in one direction, nearer to coast, nearer to Chilka, on Chilka, and nearer to the sea. So this is the one region. What I feel,
राइट राइट
all, and the cultural materials are same.
सेम दैट्स व्हाई
Yeah,
द
what
रीजन हैज
Kankaikuda
टू बी
gives the
वन
material evidence.
यस यस
Gorangapatna, Manikapatna, and here Palur, all are the almost same.
almost same
The stratigraphy is
Right.
same, aerial culture is same.
right
So I feel this is one region.
yes yes
Now it
of
is
course,
become separated,
of course
not even
yes.
separated by any construction or something,
हाँ
but it is just a village.
हाँ
The name of the
yes
village.
yes
They have
it's
given some name.
administrative new modern day
Modern
administrative
days
name
administrative setup
Hmm.
arrangement. They have given new settlements have come up,
Hmm.
so they have given the new names.
And sir would you like to talk more on this
Stupa.
stupa
Yeah.
of Palur
Yeah,
Hill?
yes. Here, this is Palur actually couched between two hills. This is Palur Hill or Dumnagiri, and one more hill on the northern side, that is Jinkiria Pahad or Jinkiria Hill. In between, the Palur, it actually a narrow area, and now it become widespread
White.
on the mouth.
Okay.
And by the way, many scholars in the past, they have shed light on there is a lighthouse on the hilltop.
Okay.
They said ki Dipo Adia Pahad. Dipo Adia, it's a general term. In all the hills nearby up to Rambha and other places, even Chadai, Goa and other hills,
Hmm.
they say कि there is a Dippo area or Dippo Diya Pahad.
Hmm.
Dippo, they put a light in
Yes,
the evening.
Depo Arya Pahar.
Dippo Diya Pahad or lighthouse. They act as a lighthouse. So we thought, what lighthouse? How lighthouse means something mark,
Yes,
something is
yes.
given for the boatman, for
Boat,
the sailors.
associated with port
Port,
site.
like Puri temple, Jagannath temple is a white
Yes,
pagoda.
White Pagoda.
Konark is known as black pagoda.
Mahabalipuram, 7 Pagoda.
Seven pagoda. Likewise, for what? For it is the knowledge of the sailors that there is a land route, and beyond you should not go. It is
Yes,
a route
yes, yes.
to identify the routes.
Hmm.
That's why I thought in my mind, what our team members also thought, let us explore the Dipadia. What is Dipadia? What is the light post? Then all these people, they all together, they went up to top of the hill.
Okay.
In my utter surprise, that was a heap of stones. It is a remains of a big stupa, stone stupa, just like Lalitgiri stupa or Aragarh stupa or Salihundam stupa. It is a stone hill, stone stupas.
Stone stupa.
That was there with platform and the stupa as it is there. But it was loosely,
Right.
it was just not scattered, but it was in the same manner. It is still there.
Okay.
We have documented, we have photographed, and everything is there. Similarly, one more, the one more end of this hill, there is a village called Raghunathpur. And the
Okay.
Raghunathpur, the end of this hill, we climbed the tail end of this hill. There is also a uh, stone is there, but now it is worshipped as a linga, as a Saivite,
Okay.
linga. So we also examined that Shiva linga, but utter surprise, that is a votive stupa again, at a 2 meter, about 2 meter height,
Right,
and
right.
this is big one,
Big one.
big
So
one.
this can be Mahastupa.
Mahastupa, yeah,
Mahastupa.
Mahastupa. And Garuda Matha, we got a monastery
Hmm.
name, and that was also a votive stupa.
Okay, okay.
Votive stupas also we found some other places near around, and now under worship as a Shiva linga.
Okay.
It is people everywhere it
Yes,
happens.
yes.
So two Buddhist remains we got from this place, and Banpur near the Kangodo Mandala, or the kingdom of Sailadhavas.
Shailabha.
It is not far from this place. It is also again 15 20 kilometers away from this place. So Sailadhava or Banpur area still exists. It was in 6th century CE, and it continued up to middle of 8th century. Then Bhaumakras came. So till 6th 7th century, it was a flourishing port, and afterwards also it continued till British period.
Right.
So this is this place having rich history.
Yes,
Now we have to take all the measures to unfold
yes.
the maritime past of Odisha, Asia and world
Yes,
also
yes.
with this site.
Right.
Let us hope we may get more and more archaeological materials to shed more light on
Yes.
maritime history or maritime global history.
So this is a remarkable discovery, both this stupa and then this site.
No, site is not remarkable. Anyone can archaeology. You can also search a site and you can take excavation. But stupa is a remarkable discovery.
Discovery, yes.
Excavation is a normal process. Anyone can, and any
Yes.
archaeologist that can, he can interested, he can take a excavation. But the materials and locating the site,
Right.
that is another.
That is the
It
discovery.
take our 8 years to explore the whole of area.
Yes.
We explored the whole area long back. It continues our continuous effort from 2010 onwards. Even before that, Professor K.S. Bera and one more Devraj Pradhan, they have also dug some places.
Okay, okay.
Many other scholars, they have taken up their exploration study.
Okay.
And afterwards, we have also continuously explored the area. Then we reached in a conclusion. That's why we took excavation here. And result is emerging.
Yes.
Now it will go to for publication.
Yes.
We are under everything under examination, because we closed the excavation only 5 6 months back.
Right.
Now
So it
we
will take
are
some time to
getting
get
time that
published.
get published, get examined everything in
Examined
the
and then
contextual study. We have
published.
to take
Yes.
up. We have to discuss many things. We have to depend on the laboratories
Yes, yes.
and some other scholars also. We are taking help of some other scholars. So it takes time, but it will publish near
Yes, sir.
future.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Palur will definitely tell history of the region,
Thank you.
local region, global
Scholars like
region.
you should come and
Yeah.
study this
Thank you,
sites.
sir,
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you very much.